First method is to turn your computer off and on again. Sometimes that fixes the problem. Otherwise, method 2, go to Steam, right-click on your game, Properties, Local Files, View Integrity of your game files, do all the validating, go to 100%, and then turn your computer off and on again, then load your game up. The third way in Steam is to go back to Properties, go to Local Files, go to Browse, click on the application here of your game, right-click, Properties, go to Compatibility, click Run as Administrator, Apply. If you want to, then run as in compatibility mode, and choose which one you want to do, Windows 8 or whatever. Click Apply, turn your computer off and on again, and load the game up. The fourth way is to search in Windows, type in Windows Update, check for updates, search, update them, install them, and turn your computer off and on again. At the same time, you can go to type in Search, Device Manager, go to Display Drivers, right-click on your graphics card, Update Driver, search automatically for drivers, install them, and turn your computer off and on again, and then start the game up. The fifth and final way is to type in Search, Run Programs made for previous versions of Windows. Go to Advanced, Run as Administrator, click Next, choose Not Selected, choose Not Listed, Next, Browse, select your game with the application, Open, Next, try recommended settings, test the program, and then after that, if it loads up properly, click Save these settings, and then load your game up. Hope these help you.